If you're a lease purchase driver or an owner operator, something like that, the fuel expense is 100% your own. And you will get fuel solutions sent out to you with every dispatch, and it's up to you if you want to follow those or not. That could be your strategy. I would say that's probably a good one. I mean, you're following the optimized calculation after all. But if you kind of want to do something on your own and make your own decisions about where you buy fuel, I would very strongly suggest downloading this app. It's called WEX Card Control. WEX is our fuel card provider. So once you get that and once you get it downloaded and you get your fuel card, you should put your information into that app and it will know all of our negotiated prices. And that's what sets it apart from the other apps that are out there and the other trucking websites, is that they're all using the sign price or the retail price. Like I said before, we never pay that. Almost never. So the only place where you're really going to be able to see the price you're going to pay for fuel is going to be on this WEX Card Control app. And there's a couple of different ways that you can use it. In this example right here, it's just a map view and it's showing fuel prices all around the area. If you have a specific area that you think you want to fill up in, or you can just do it like a route. You can put in an origin destination and it will just give you a list of all the cheapest truck stops along that route, and then it's up to you where you want to buy that fuel. So I think this works really slick. If I were an owner operator, knowing what I know about our network, this is definitely how I would do it. We will end with the $800 cup of coffee. And this is really just kind of a metaphor for be mindful of your purchase decision. And I would encourage every lease purchaser, owner operator to make your decision based on fuel price and nothing else, such as coffee. We're driving down the road and okay, we've been driving for a while and it's going to be time to stop pretty soon. Think about where we're going to do it. I really like that Pilot coffee, so I'm going to go to a Pilot. You might be paying 40 or 50 cents more per gallon on fuel to get that coffee. And it's real plausible that that could add up to $800 pretty fast. So just be mindful of your purchase decision. Make it based on price and money like a business person would, not on something else such as coffee.